bringing new life to timeless classics. Meet our cherished classic, a true testament to automotive history, but time has taken a toll on its once magnificent leather seats. That's where Leather Revive comes in. Our skilled artisans are passionate about preserving the beauty of vintage leather. We use only the finest quality leather and materials to ensure an authentic restoration. Watch as we breathe new life into these vintage car seats. The transformation is simply astonishing. Our satisfied customers trust us to revive the leather in their treasured classics. Not only does the restoration look incredible, but it also preserves the value of your vintage beauty. Ready to restore your classic? Contact us today for a consultation. Leather Revive, where the past meets the future in every stitch. Contact us now for a free consultation.